My name is Rachel Zobel. I am a recent graduate from the University of Pennsylvania, and I'm here at the Pennypack Trust to help form baseline data of absence presence of some fish, amphibians, macroinvertebrates, so we have a better understanding of the water quality, the land quality, and habitats for our animals.
Hello, my name is Stephen Hanna, and I have been a stewardship intern here at the Pennypack Trust. I've worked outside in the field doing a lot of restoration work. I've also worked here in the office with the membership team and the outreach team.
Hi, I'm Hannah Thomas. I study environmental science and geology at Temple University, and I'm a land steward intern.
My name is Maureen, and I am an intern focusing on environmental education and community outreach.
A typical day would entail me meeting with my mentors, and then I will go to certain sites and execute those plans. For example, removing invasive species, maintaining certain tree planting sites.
So far during my internship, I've worked really closely with the education coordinator, Kevin, and we've planned and executed events for the community. I've been working on creating videos for the trust to be able to tell the trust story in a different way and invite people here.
The world of conservation is so vast, and there are so many problems we have to struggle to solve very quickly. It's really important that as we try and solve these problems here at the Pennypack Trust, that we carry along the next generation of stewards with us. So bringing folks from college who are in college now or just recently graduated and introducing them to what we know of our connections here in the Pennypack Valley, those kinds of fundamentals can be applied anywhere. And once you get a grasp on those things, you're also able to specialize, right? Maybe you are the scientist you trained to be in your undergraduate, or maybe instead you're a messenger, and we can address the communications aspect of things. Back in 2017, the Pennypack Ecological Restoration Trust started an endowment focused on education in the name of David Robertson, the former executive director of the Pennypack Trust. So it's really through very local dollars that we started this program, but now with the incredible help of BLBB Charitable, we're able to grow this program and have the vitality and the creativity, the energy that these people give us, help us be a more lively institution and also evolve and change and think about new frontiers. It's really an exceptional gift that we've been given to help create that next generation of conservation experts, but also help us think differently about ourselves.
Everyone's very, very helpful here when I need specific contacts at Fish and Boat Commission or Stroud Water Center for some information about what I'm doing. They are more than willing to give me the information and help me build those connections with other people. I've gained a lot of critical thinking so far, especially because you can't really be narrow-minded in the world of research. So when I came in, I had some background in microplastics specifically, and I needed to learn how to incorporate that in the presence-absence of fish and amphibs. Like, I couldn't just be so narrow-minded into what I've already done, but incorporate that into what needs to be done.
Pennypack has given me many tools to be a leader. I'm learning so much about certain threats. I can educate people around me, and in that sense I feel like I'm a leader because I'm bringing awareness to the community.
Working individually and as a group presents its own challenges and difficulties, and I think that as a result my communication skills, my work ethic, and my own self-driven motivation has really grown as a result of this internship.
I'm heading off to graduate school at Penn State University to study parks, recreation, and tourism management. So I am hoping to move forward in a career that promotes outdoor spaces for places that children and communities can thrive and live healthy, happy lives. So working here at the Trust has really kind of shown me the inner workings of an organization that is doing that.
The reason why I chose to intern at Pennypack was so I can build upon my already existing research skills, and I want to pursue a PhD and work in water restoration, stream restoration in watersheds. So I think that this is a really great opportunity for me to build on my skills and learn new skills as well.
I'm so grateful for the resources, connections, and experiences that Pennypack has given me in order for me to move forward in my career in conservation and make a difference.